Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So I've been using Favor Runner for the past few weeks, and honestly, it's been a pretty interesting experience. I wanted to try it out because I'd heard a lot about how it's one of the easiest ways to earn some extra money on the side, especially if you live in Texas, where Favor has a strong presence. I'm always curious about delivery apps that give you freedom over your schedule, especially ones that can fit around other projects or an online business. So I thought, why not give this one a shot? So Favor Runner is basically a delivery service that lets you deliver all kinds of stuff, not just food. You could be bringing someone tacos 1 minute, and they're dry cleaning the next, which keeps things from feeling repetitive. What's nice is you're not an employee, you're kind of your own boss, which means no fixed shifts or minimum hours. You can hop on the app, pick your hours, and accept deliveries whenever you want. It's designed for anyone who wants flexible side income, students, part-time workers, or anyone trying to make use of their free hours without committing to a rigid schedule. When I first signed up, I was surprised by how fast the whole process was, especially compared to some other gig apps. The application was super straightforward. I filled it out, did a short online orientation that took maybe 10 minutes, and then waited for my background check to clear. I got approved the next day, which was faster than I expected, and made it easy to get started right away. After that, I just started picking up orders in my area and learning how the app flow works in real time. In my first week, I probably did around 15 runs, just testing the waters and seeing how busy different times of day were. What stood out to me immediately was how quick the app is. You really need to act fast when an order pops up, because other runners can grab it before you do. So staying alert definitely helps. The pay is decent. They take 35% of the delivery charge, but you keep all your tips, which is awesome and can really boost your earnings during peak times. One cool part is that after every 10 deliveries, you get a $100 bonus. I hit that milestone once, and it honestly made my day and made the extra effort feel worth it. But it's not all perfect. On the flip side, you're fully responsible for your vehicle, gas, maintenance, everything, which is something you need to budget for up front. Some days, I felt like half of what I earned went straight into the tank, especially when gas prices are higher. A few other runners on Reddit mentioned the same thing. One user said they love the freedom, but hated how the costs add up if you're driving a lot. Another runner mentioned that the app can glitch once in a while, especially when orders come in back to back. I actually had that happen once, and yeah, it's annoying when it costs you an order or slows you down. The best thing, though, is flexibility. I can start my day whenever I want and stop whenever I feel like it, which makes it easy to fit around other work or personal plans. No pressure, no boss calling you out. And I have to say, the customers are usually pretty generous with tips, especially during busy hours or bad weather days, which can make a big difference in how much you earn per run. If I had to sum it up, Favor Runner is perfect if you're in Texas and want a simple, flexible way to make some extra money without locking yourself into a long-term commitment. It's not going to replace a full-time income unless you hustle hard and treat it like a job. But as a side gig, it's one of the better ones I've tried. I'll probably keep it on my list for those slow weeks when I just want to earn a little extra without much commitment. So yeah, that's been my experience with Favor Runner. If you're looking for something flexible and you don't mind using your own vehicle, it's definitely worth checking out. Like and subscribe if this helped, and if you've tried Favor yourself, drop a comment about how it went for you.